2007 Tiffin Allegro Bus for sale in Fort Cobb, Oklahoma 73038. Spread your wings and fly with this 2007 Tiffin Allegro Bus. This Class A motorhome is 40 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Cummins diesel engine mated with an automatic transmission that offers an impressive 400 horsepower. This RV has 4 slide-outs, 4 awnings over all windows, awning over door, and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with leveling system, backup camera, side vision camera and captain's chairs. With only 65,000 miles, you can rest assured that this Tiffin Allegro Bus will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2007 Tiffin Allegro Bus is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include Corian countertops, 3-burner stove / OvenConvection microwave residential refrigerator / FreezerSinkDinette with chair seating, 32-inch smart television surround sound DVD / CD / StereoHD satellite DishSofa SleeperChairShowerWasher, dryer IncludedSelect comfort queen-size BedMaster closet, 2 roll-out trays and BottomAqua heating system, and so much more. This 2007 Tiffin Allegro Bus is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Tiffin Allegro Bus is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2007 Tiffin Allegro Bus.